Model, 65-plate Ford Transit Custom 2.2TD 125PS 270 limited front-wheel drive L1 high roof spares OR repairs alloy wheels MOTED open-mouth smile trader worthy smiling face with hearts. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 119451. MOT, 29 November 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 TDCI-B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Engine is shaking on idle and is low on compression. Van does have a recent turbo replaced but then noticed shake on engine. In the correct hands a mechanic will be able to rebuild this. Plenty of work life left in this. Nice silver color and decent miles. Open mouth smile engine needs repairing gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every